Hello, welcome to Wellness Wednesday. So happy to have you all here. Let me know in the comments where you are tuning in from. This serves as a live episode for the Holistic Me podcast, a journey to finding wellness within. If you haven't checked it out, I invite you to do so. You can head on over to YouTube and subscribe to the channel. I will make sure to include the link after this live is completed here on Facebook, and you can go and subscribe so you can catch all of the previous episodes, tune into all of those, and also get notified when new videos are created and posted. So I'm super excited to have you here. Thanks for joining me. Today we're doing a chakra balancing practice. So I'm really excited to do this with you now and share this. So hopefully you'll join me in this process, do it along with me, whether you're here live or watching the replay. All right, so we're gonna get started on this chakra balancing practice, and I'm actually gonna have you guys go from the top down for today's practice, which I find to be a little bit more grounding rather than energizing. All right, so we're gonna get started by either pressing or tapping the top of the head. Good job, buddy. Now you're gonna take your hat off. Nice job. Good work. Perfect. So we're going to tap, tap, tap the top of the head. This is going to be nice and grounding for us, working from the top down. So I'm right over the center line of my head.
How will we be done with it?
Oh, we'll be moving on soon. And I am going to make this a shorter version of the practice. You can spend as much time as you want if you repeat this practice, or just stay a little bit longer as I move on and just follow suit after. All right, now we're going to go between the eyebrows.
Oh, little beard. I think I'm not doing
Right
it.
on your forehead, buddy. Look at mommy. Yeah, good job.
How are we gonna do this?
Okay, and then we're gonna go to our, just below our throat here. I'll lower my neckline here so you can see right over the sternal notch here. We're gonna top there.
This is boring.
This is boring. Oh my goodness. You can go back to what you were doing if you like.
No, I'm gonna play with this.
That's not a good idea right now. It's gonna be too loud. You can go play over there with your other toys. All right, so we've done our crown chakra, our third eye. Now we're finishing up our throat chakra. Watch my drink, please. That can't come through here right now. Okay, and now we're going to go to the heart chakra. Is this one of your magic buttons? You can sit next to me, not on me, please. Thank you.
I want to.
You're doing a good job. You can pop on camera and say goodbye or hello at the end, okay? Yeah, right in the center.
I
Good
can
work.
say bye and hello.
You did. Yeah, you can do both. Right in the center. We call this one of our magic buttons for Cody here.
But it's what top of my butt.
Yeah, you're tapping your buttons. Now we're going to move on to solar plexus, which is right in the center of our stomach, halfway between the end of our sternum and our belly button.
Dipping your boring.
This is boring. Oh.
I'll go paint something.
Please be careful with that. Sure, bud. Why don't you take the whole basket?
Take it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Be careful with the drink. There you go.
Can't eat in my
All right, so we've done, for those of you just joining, we're working our way down for a more grounding practice. So we've started at the top. We've gone through each of these centers so far. We're on solar plexus. If you're just joining, you can keep watching, jump in with me where we are now, and then you can go back and watch from the top. The first few minutes is my son trying to be on camera. So, what's that? That's not a toy. That's a tool. Just leave it on the side, please. Thank you. And now we moved on to the Sacral Chakra, which is about two... Okay, buddy, please be gentle with it. We're going about 2 fingers width below the belly button to the... I'm going to scooch back a little bit so you can see me. Okay. Making sure that we're breathing through this whole practice. Yes, buddy. But you'll have to wait till I'm done so we can look into it. Yes. Yes, he's a lot of white. Okay, we'll talk about it after, okay? Thank you. All right, and then our last chakra point is our root chakra. We're aiming right above our pubic bone. Okay? So, can just tap right above the pubic bone. Making sure to breathe deeply through all of these points that we're covering. Let me get rid of this notification here. Okay, beautiful. So let me know if you're watching this as a replay. Say hello if you're watching live. And just say hi, let me know where you're tuning in from. Let me know how you maybe feel out of balance, right? Are you feeling uneasy? Are you feeling a little agitated, anxious, having trouble sleeping, trouble thinking clearly, crazy dreams maybe, really vivid dreams? How are you feeling out of balance from your normal state of being when you feel aligned? Let's take a moment here to take a few deep breaths. Now that we have tuned in and tapped all of our chakras from the top down, imagine a white light entering the crown of your head and moving down through all of these energy centers. Crown chakra, third eye, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root chakras. And connecting down, continuing to the floor beneath you, into the earth, going through all of the layers and connecting you to crystalline core at the center. Feeling grounded and rooted Let's take 3 cleansing breaths. Deep breath in. And on the exhale, let it out audibly. Again. And one more. I hope you're feeling a little bit more grounded today or now than you were earlier. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling. Love to hear how this practice helped to shift your energy, realign and balance your chakras, ground your energy. And yes, I'm going to link, I'm going to post this video to my YouTube channel as part of the podcast. This is going to be episode 38 on the podcast, so you can check it out again. It will be living here on the Facebook page as part of this live anyways, but you can check out the YouTube video or channel, and then I will be linking over here some of our past Wellness Wednesdays for you to check out and dive a little deeper on some self-care practices. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, buddy. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for taking the time to take care of yourself, right? Give yourself a big thank you. Give yourself a hug. Whatever feels good. Show yourself some gratitude for choosing to do this short, brief practice today. Catch you next time. I'll be back with a new episode on Friday, and we'll be live again next Wednesday. But every week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, there is a new episode posted. So check those out on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Until next time, stay well, my friends.